Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to put on lashes. I am using the Glad Lash in the style Demi Wispy. They're so pretty. So the first thing you want to do is take it out of the box. So when you're removing a lash, you always want to make sure you pull like this off the lash, not by the corner, or you could risk ripping the lash off, especially bands that are this thin. So once you remove the lash, you want to put it on the eye and see if it fits. So I basically need to just trim off a little bit, and you generally want to trim from the outside. I like to take the glue and apply a little bit onto a Q-tip. I find it easiest when you take the Q-tip and then you just run it along the lash band. That way you get to cover the entire lash band. Once you've applied it, you want to wait a few seconds so it's tacky and it will adhere to the eye. You're gonna a little bit up close and personal. So you're gonna take your lash either with tweezers or your fingers, and you're gonna look down into a mirror. And you're gonna start off in the center. If you have one of these are like a lash they help with the application. You want to push the lash in, and then you want to get under there and squeeze the lashes together. Get the other side down, and then squeeze them together. And that's it. Now I'm going to time lapse the other side. And that's it. You can throw a little mascara on if you want, but just keep in mind when you use mascara, it might shorten the longevity of the lash. But it will make the lashes more full, and it will bind the lash to your natural lash. So it's totally up to you on if you want. Not a necessary step, but you can. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions. It's a super easy process. Just make sure to utilize those tips and tricks and always look down when you're applying lashes. It makes life so much easier.